Koloa Estates and Poipu Aina Estates are on the opposite sides of Poipu, but I'm grouping them both together because they're different yet similar in the respect that you cannot vacation rent out your property, which is not the case for most of the real estate inventory in Poipu. The size of the laws in Koloa Estates start at half an acre and go up from there. Schools, dining, and shopping are just about right away. The homes are stately and just lovely. Poipu Aina Estates offers upcountry living right here in Poipu Beach, with lot sizes starting at 2.5 acres each. Both subdivisions are for those who don't want to vacation rent out their properties or be near vacation rental properties, but close enough to everything that Poipu Beach has to offer. If that's you, these are the two neighborhoods that you'd want to look at.